Hi, it's Marvin. Today I've got a 3.5 hour logistics block from Gloucester and it's paying £66.50. I'll video how I load the parcels, how I sort as I scan. Most of these afternoon blocks have the van numbers, the 4-digit numbers rather than the drop numbers. So I'll show you how I sort them so I know where everything is in my boot. At Logistics Depot now you have to wear a high vis, and apparently the blue Amazon high vis isn't high vis enough. So they gave me a yellow one last time I was there. So follow along, we'll see how this block goes. Save the route. Begin first. 26708. 672. 6740 6718 47 parcels. 4712 6712 6719 6717, everyone. 6723 6711 713 714 727 6722 28 10 25 09 20 20 up 16 850 This is 24 in this one. Ready to go. $47 parcels, 33 drops, 12 miles to get there, in 20 minutes till the first stop. delivered to front door porch. Oh, no cycling. I didn't bring my bike. 11. Okay. Scan that one. Scan that one. You number 1.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh.
I need those parcels for you.
There we go.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello there.
Yeah.
I've got to take a picture, so I'll take a...
Yeah, no
There we
worries.
go. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, Amazon for you. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, got an Amazon parcel for number 2. Can't get in at the front because you got a lock gate. There we go, take a picture.
Cheers, mate.
And 5. Hello, Amazon for you. There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks. Hello. 3 Amazon parcels for you.
Thank you.
There we go.
No worries. A lot.
Hello, Amazon for you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much. Thank you.
Have a nice afternoon. Let's close the gate. Wait, it must be the wake. Oh, no. Hello. I've got 7 parcels for you. That's those 3. Okay. This one I need to check your age. Can you tell me your year of birth? There we go.
Well over the
It's better now. We used to have to ask for people's driving licence, and you'd be taking Sherry to these little old ladies in their 80s and 90s, and they'd have to
Didn't have a
them.
driving licence.
Exactly.
I still have mine, but I mean,
Super, all done. Thank you. That's what the bungee's for. bungee on there like that. It doesn't squash your car coming out. Clever. Number 2. Might fit. No, won't fit. In the bin. Hello, Amazon for you.
Brilliant.
Cheers, thanks. Have a nice afternoon. I was just doing some origami to put it in there. Cheers, thanks. Wow, that's a nice colour. Oh, I need to put it in the porch. There we go. Box.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I was just using your post box. There we go.
Lovely.
Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello, Amazon for you.
Oh, wicked.
Cheers.
Thank you very
Thanks. Bye. Hello, Amazon parcel for you. Thank you. Hello there, Amazon.
Hello. Thank you
There
very
you
much.
go. Thank you. Have a nice afternoon. Hello. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Ah, the sun's really bright. 3 parcels left. Been a bit of a mixture of things, like having to get out and open gates along long driveways, and then a few places where I've stopped and just walked and delivered 4 parcels. There was that nice one where it was 7 parcels to the one place. That was the one where they had the gate. So bright. So at the moment, I've got 3 left to do and
left onto Mead Road.
still got an hour and 10 minutes left. So I parked there earlier and delivered there, and I've gone all the way around the houses to deliver there. Last one, kitchen, 45 minutes early. To the post box. Will it fit? Oops. Nice. So 3.5 hour block, finished in 2 hours 45 minutes. £66.50, so it works out £24 and a bit per hour, which is quite good. Finished, and I'll be home before the block end time. I did have another block booked for this evening, but sun's going down, it's getting dark. I didn't bring my head torch, so I've binned that, forfeited it. Somebody else can do it. And I'm going home to have roast dinner with my family. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more Marvin's Flex tips. Bye for now.